My name is Paul Nelson. I am a sex therapist. I know that sounds kind of scary. Sex therapists sit around and talk about feelings. We'll do that a little bit, but mostly I also work as a patient educator in men's sexual medicine. That means I work in a urological practice that specializes in nothing but men's sexual medicine and reproduction. I talk to men all day about how to have sex, their body, how their body's supposed to work. We talk about a little bit about relationships, but that's what sex therapists are really for. Me, I just teach guys about sex and the problems that come along with it. And I am the founder of the Erectile Dysfunction Foundation, a 501c3 nonprofit. We are a patient organization to help men with any kind of sexual dysfunction. We're here to help you find the help that you want. The fact is, 1 out of 3 men in America alone have some sort of sexual dysfunction. It can range anywhere from premature ejaculation, which is the most common, to delayed ejaculation, anorgasmia, low libido, you name it, guys have problems. You probably found this by Googling, which you've probably also found doesn't work so well. Most everything you find is commercials or advertisements trying to sell you pills, potions, powders, and pumps with the promise of solving all your sexual problems. The fact is, it's not that simple. Sex is complicated. Yeah, it's grounded in your body, but it also involves your mind, your soul. It involves relationships. It involves usually other people. It doesn't have to, but it's nice when it does. The fact is, there are not a lot of resources out there to help men that are really dependable. So the first thing we have to do is find someone who will help you with the medical problems. Easier said than done. The problem is, urologists, who most of us go to for sexual help, are actually urological surgeons. That's their real name. They were taught how to cut kidneys, urethras, bladders, prostates, you name it. They were taught to cut. That's where they spent all of their time, was in learning surgery. They really didn't get a lot of training, if any at all, in erectile dysfunction or sexual medicine or any other problems. So you need to find a sexual medicine specialist. I'm sorry, easier said than done. Sexual medicine specialists are generally urologists, but sometimes family practice doctors who have gone back to school and done fellowships and are board certified in sexual medicine. They're hard to find. That's the problem. Underneath the frame here, we're going to put some resources for you that you can click on to find some ways to find doctors who might be near you that can help. We want you to start with medical treatment. Nobody knows why you're having a problem. It could be anxiety, it could be relationship issues, but it also could be the sign of other health issues that we need to make sure are addressed. You may not realize that you're pre-diabetic. You may not realize that you have some heart condition. You may not realize anything that's going on, and you're blaming yourself for your lack of, quote, function. If you're like most men, you've probably had that mental train wreck that comes with any sort of sexual problem. The self-doubt, the embarrassment, the shame, the guilt, the humiliation, all the stuff that guys are terrified of. We seem to measure our manhood by our sexual prowess. Welcome to our culture. That's for a different video. We'll get to that later. Your primary role in all this is to be a good patient. That means you need to become your own expert on your own body. The fact is, you need to know more about your body and what's going on than any doctor in the world. That means learning what's supposed to happen, learning what's happening, look for the clues. Help your doctor figure out what's going on. That's why we're here. We're here to teach you every aspect that we can think of in layman's terms about erectile dysfunction, delayed ejaculation, premature ejaculation, you name it. Guys have problems, we're here to help. If you look down on the website, you will see a button for resources. Make use of that. There are lists of doctors, therapists, sexual experts, anything. However, if there's something you can't find there, please contact us through our contact form and we'll do our best to get back to you. Also, if you have suggestions of things you'd like to hear us talk about, please give us that as well. We're here for you. We're here to help you.